Justice is what keeps a society alive. And we, the traditional institution, has always been responsible for keeping peace and also protecting the lives and properties of our communities.
For many Nigerians, traditional justice is the preferred way to resolve disputes. Many citizens are more comfortable bringing their matters to traditional rulers for resolution instead of seeking justice from the police or the courts.
It is estimated to be something like 70% of disputes are treated through the traditional justice system. And it is the one closest to the people. It is the one which will come to the mind of the ordinary person when they are in need of justice.
To help strengthen the traditional justice system in Nigeria, Justice for All has implemented a number of initiatives working with government institutions and traditional rulers to deliver fair, equitable, and transparent decisions and ultimately improve access to justice for Nigerian citizens. In northern Nigeria, our pilot scheme was introduced in Jigawa State, where we worked with over 1,500 traditional rulers to strengthen their skills in dispute resolution. A code of ethics was adopted to serve as a guide for the traditional rulers, and record-keeping systems were developed and are now used to store data on cases and resolved disputes.
The most important part of our duty is conflict resolution. When they came with the program, they explained to us what they want to do, try to enhance our capacity for administering justice, conflict resolution and management. We are able now to document these issues. And that's why we now realize that the documentation of these issues is very vital for the success of this program.
A robust referral structure has been developed, and data from the record-keeping system is also used between justice sector agencies to tackle crime.
Since JFOA came here, they give a lot of trainings to those traditional rulers, and I was part of that training. If you see that the traditional ruler can play a role, we normally refer those cases to them. And again, in cases like issue of maybe minor money offenses for peace to reign, we normally refer those cases to them so that they can be able to see that they can be able to solve it, and at the same time, the people that live in that community will live peacefully.
We have also delivered targeted training to the wives of traditional rulers who informally play the role of mediators to address the unique challenges of women complainants.
Ƙwarai kan abin ya taimake mu sosai. Don misali inda muna samun faɗace-faɗace da yawa, to yanzu zuwan wannan tsarin gaskiya an samu ragi sosai a kai. Sun koya mana yanda za mu koyar da sulhu tsakanin mata, tsakanin 'ya'ya, tsakanin maƙota, da kuma har takan kai ga mazaje ma.
In southern Nigeria, in the country's biggest city of Lagos, we worked with Obas from 5 kingdoms to replicate the initiative.
Before J4 came in, the system we're adopting were purely traditional. But the difference when J4 came in was that we have to have record keeping. If the problems are settled, we write in the booklet that settled. If it is a case beyond us, we were advised to transfer the case to the police.
Tí wọ́n bá gbé ẹjọ́ wá, ẹlòmíà lòun ò ní gbà, ẹlòmíà dẹ̀ gbà. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kọ́ wa bí wọ́n ṣe ń parí ọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n kọ́ wa pé téèyàn bá gbẹ́jọ́ wá, àkọ́kọ́ fẹ̀rín pàdé ọ̀yàyà, á rí dùnnú lójú wa. Inú òun náà dùn wípé àwọn tí mò ń gbẹ́jọ́ lọ báyìí, wọ́n á farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Tán bá dẹ̀ ti ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ wọn, àwa náà á fi ìdùnnú bá wọn lò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí wọ́n fún wa.
Early results show that the trust in the traditional justice system has increased, and more people are now using the system. More women are now using this system that directly addresses their needs. There are improved linkages between the formal and informal justice systems. As a result, there is an increase in the number of cases that are being referred by the informal justice system to other institutions.
Gaskiya yanzu ci gaban da aka samu a shi kansa sulhu to ya fi baya. Sannan kuma muna so su sarakunai da suka ƙara haƙuri fiye da yana suke daɗin, to su sake ƙara ninkawa don mu talakawa za mu fi jin daɗi. Kuma talaka in ya ga ya zo gurin sarauta ta yi maraba da shi ta karɓe shi to zai fi jin daɗi.